Hello my friends, the first season of the tutorial of the Buildbox 2, the called Buildbox Classic finish now. And after that you learn all of its settings about the software, the most important setting. And you can go and review all of these interesting games and learn the ideas behind them. You learn all the settings and you can easily make the game such this. And this season will be finished. If we have more question or something to learn, we will make the tutorial. And of course, unfortunately, we are in free use, the free trial version of the free version of the Buildbox, and we cannot teach you the export, but it's very simple and easy. You can export iOS, Android, and Windows XP. You have to go and buy the pro version, and it's very simple. And after that, this software simply give you a package, and you can export it with Android Studio. It's very simple. And this software is done here, and you have to, if you have to want more updates, more complex 2D and 3D things, you have to go to Buildbox 3, the new version of the Buildbox. But with the Buildbox 2, you can, it's very simple. As you can see, as you saw before, it's very easy. You can do your idea with this software. We try to explain all the settings. You can use this software and export your idea to Android and exe file. Okay, waiting for other tutorial about this software, and of course new version of the Buildbox 3. Thank you very much.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.